Welcome to Cyclone Finance. In this detailed video, we'll explore 5 proven, real-world apps you can use to make money online, for free, in 2025. This isn't clickbait, we focus on apps that work in the USA, UK, Canada, Europe, and Asia. I'll break down each app, how to set it up, how the payout works, PayPal, gift cards, crypto, and share expert tips to boost your earnings. Stay tuned until the end because I'll give you bonus hacks to maximize profits. App 1, Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a trusted rewards app that pays you for completing surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and even playing games. How to sign up? Visit swagbucks.com or download the app. Register with your email or Facebook. Verify your email to activate. How to earn? Daily surveys, 5 to 10 minutes each. Watch sponsored videos. Cashback when shopping through Swagbucks. Links. Complete offers, free trials, app installs. How to withdraw? Cash out via PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or hundreds of other options. Minimum withdrawal, $3 to $5. Pro tip, check for daily goals and streak bonuses for extra Swagbucks, SB points. Why it works? Partnered with major brands like Walmart, Target, PayPal. App 2, Mist Play. What is it? Mist Play is an Android app that rewards you for playing mobile games. How to sign up? Download Mist Play from the Google Play Store, create an account, and set your gaming preferences. How to earn? Play featured games. Not every game counts. Earn points for time played and achievements. Level up in Mist Play to unlock bonuses. How to withdraw? Redeem points for gift cards, Amazon, Visa, Google Play. Minimum $5. Pro tip, focus on high reward games and check in daily for bonus streaks. Why it works? Mist Play partners with game developers who pay to promote their games. App 3, Honeygain. Honeygain lets you earn passive income by sharing unused internet bandwidth. How to sign up? Go to honeygain.com, download the app on your phone or desktop, create an account, and let it run in the background. How to earn? Keep the app running while connected to Wi-Fi. Earn credits for the traffic you share. How to withdraw? Cash out via PayPal or crypto, Jump Token. Minimum payout $20. Pro tip, use multiple devices, on different networks, to increase earnings. Why it works? Honeygain sells your bandwidth to businesses for market research and SEO monitoring, 100% legal, no personal data shared. App 4, Rakuten, formerly Ebates. Rakuten gives you cashback on online purchases from 3,500 plus stores. How to sign up? Download the app or use the browser extension. Create a free account. How to earn? Shop through Rakuten links or activate cashback on the extension. Get up to 40% cashback at stores like Macy's, Nike, and Best Buy. How to withdraw? PayPal or mailed check every quarter, minimum payout $5. Pro tip, combine Rakuten with credit card cashback for double rewards. Why it works? Stores pay Rakuten a commission for sending shoppers. Rakuten shares that commission with you. App 5, Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin pays you for walking, using your phone step counter. How to sign up? Download the app, allow step tracking permissions, and start walking. How to earn? Earn Sweatcoins for outdoor steps. Indoor steps may not count. Exchange Sweatcoins for rewards, gift cards, PayPal offers, or donate to charity. How to withdraw? Sweatcoin offers PayPal cashouts on select offers, or you can convert to Sweat Crypto via the Sweat wallet. Pro tip, invite friends for referral bonuses and participate in challenges. Why it works? Brands sponsor the marketplace in exchange for promoting healthy habits. Bonus hacks. Stack apps together. Use Swagbucks plus Mist Play plus Honeygain simultaneously. Watch for seasonal promos. Apps often boost payouts during holidays. Join app communities, Reddit, Facebook, to get insider tips. These 5 apps are legit, tested, and work worldwide, especially in the USA and UK. Remember, none will make you rich overnight, but they're perfect for side income. If you want more app reviews, money hacks, and passive income tips, hit that subscribe button on Cyclone Finance and turn on the bell. Let me know in the comments, which app will you try first?